Hey guys, Jonesy here, Dr. Powerwheels, and this topic comes up quite a bit. I get asked this all the time online. My Powerwheels only works in high speed. First question I ask, do both wheels spin? I don't know. Well, you gotta pick it up on a jack stand and press the gas pedal. If you guys see, only the passenger side is spinning. So right away that tells me it's either a switch or a motor. And in this case, this one's not spinning, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spin it. You guys notice how easy that spins? That one spins very hard. That's the way it's supposed to be because the plunger switch is closed, so it's in electro braking. So that's telling me that there's a disconnect in the electro braking. So either the motor is shot or the wire became disconnected. So all you got to do on this particular model is we took off the 3 screws here and then the 2 in the side plates, and this is what we saw. There you go, guys. The wire didn't come off, but it broke the brass tab on the motor. So what we're going to do is we're going to tear this apart and we're going to see if we can fix this for free and get them back on the road. Oh, and here's a quick tip for you guys. Label the wires that are on the motor. Powerwheels solders these on from the factory, and if we solder them on or put them on the wrong way, the motor's going to spin backwards when the other one's going forward. So we are going to take a Sharpie and we're going to put a B on the black wire. On the driver's side here, there's a black and a red. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we got the gearbox out. You can see it is 1 tab short of a complete circuit and it broke off flush. Hopefully that's coming into focus for you guys. So we're going to desolder this one. And we are going to go over to the workbench and see if we can fix this. Okay, so here's the technique we use when we have one of the motor tabs broken off. Both of these are. It's kind of easy to do. You got to be careful with the motor tab. So right where it's broken off, there's a plastic kind of end bell, I'd call it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our soldering gun and we're literally going to melt that, so that there's a little, I guess, puddle around it. We're going to do both sides of the tab. Okay, so the next step is we're going to take and we're going to tin our wire. And now we're going to plunge that guy into that hole we made. Alright, now we're going to test and see if we've got a working motor now. And that's how you get it going. It's kind of a bush fix, but it'll get you going. Ideally, yeah, you should replace the motor, but hopefully this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. So alright, we put the gearbox back in. We swapped over the passenger side tire because it was wore through a hole because they didn't know what was going on with it. So we're going to put the stock flange nut on here, or push nut, some people call them. Little tech tip is we take vice grips and we make sure we have the axle all the way pulled over, and we're going to bite down on the body so that when we hit it, the axle does not slide. And drum roll, let's test it out. Now we got the kid back in business. Oh, don't forget to take off your vice grips. You don't want to send those home with the customer. All right, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we got all kinds of cool Power Wheels videos coming up.